Think you really know your UK road signs? Today, we're putting your sign spotting skills to the test with 40 quick-fire sign recognition questions to sharpen your awareness and boost your confidence on the road. Keep track of your answers, share your score in the comments, and let's see how well you really know your UK road signs. If you find this quiz helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more clear, practical driving guides. Let's get started. Question 1. Can you spot the sign that enforces a minimum driving speed of 30 miles per hour? The answer is C. Question 2. Which sign directs traffic to an alternative route during motorway closures? The answer is B. Question 3. What sign shows that partial parking on the verge or footpath is permitted? The answer is D. Question 4. Which sign allows only pedal cycles while banning all other vehicles? The answer is C. Question 5. Which road sign tells you to yield to oncoming traffic from the opposite direction? The answer is B. Question 6. Which warning sign alerts you about a low bridge with limited clearance ahead? The answer is A. Question 7. Which sign bans articulated lorries from continuing past a certain point? The answer is B. Question 8. What sign shows traffic signals meant only for bicycles? The answer is D. Question 9. Which warning sign indicates wild ponies or horses might be nearby? The answer is C. Question 10. Which circular sign tells drivers the top speed allowed is 60 miles per hour? The answer is D. Question 11. Which sign shows that stopping at any time is not permitted? The answer is D. Question 12. What sign indicates all 3 motorway lanes ahead are closed? The answer is C. Question 13. Which warning sign tells drivers that snowdrifts may lie ahead? The answer is D. Question 14. Which sign gives advance warning of a nearby weight limit restriction? The answer is B. Question 15. Which sign warns you of a sharp bend, turning right? The answer is D. Question 16. Which sign helps drivers understand directions at a junction? The answer is B. Question 17. Which sign informs drivers which lanes they should use for different turns or exits? The answer is D. Question 18. Which sign tells you that waiting is not allowed at certain times? The answer is C. Question 19. What sign indicates an area where speed enforcement cameras are active? The answer is D. Question 20. Which sign warns of overhead electric cables or wires? The answer is B. Question 21. Which sign warns about a steep climb ahead on the road? The answer is B. Question 22. Which warning sign alerts drivers about potentially dangerous side winds? The answer is A. Question 23. What sign warns of crossing amphibians like toads during migration seasons? The answer is D. Question 24. Which sign indicates a roundabout is up ahead? The answer is B. Question 25. What sign marks the beginning of a designated cycle path? The answer is D. Question 26. Which iconic sign tells driver they must come to a complete halt? The answer is D. Question 27. Which sign warns of a road junction located on a bend? The answer is D. Question 28. Which sign marks the start of a controlled parking area? The answer is C. Question 29. Which sign tells goods vehicles they are entering a controlled parking zone? The answer is A. Question 30. What sign gives direction information as you approach a junction? The answer is C. Question 31. Which sign bans towed caravans from using a road segment? The answer is A. Question 32. Which sign permits access only to buses, bicycles, and no other vehicles? The answer is D. Question 33. What sign warns of a road running alongside a body of water? The answer is B. Question 34. Which sign points the way to a tourist destination marked by a pictogram? The answer is A. Question 35. Which sign shows a famous historic castle 10 miles, 16 kilometers from your location? The answer is C. Question 36. What sign indicates the presence of a cycle hire facility nearby? The answer is A. Question 37. Which warning sign tells you the road may be slippery ahead? The answer is D. Question 38. Which sign permits only buses, cycles, and taxis in a restricted area? The answer is B. Question 39. Which sign indicates where a telephone is located at a level crossing? The answer is A. Question 40. Which circular blue sign shows the minimum speed must be 30 miles per hour? The answer is C. That wraps up today's UK Road Signs Challenge. How well did you do? Let us know your score in the comments. If you enjoyed this quiz, give it a like, share it with a friend who's learning to drive, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more straightforward guides to help you drive confidently and safely on UK roads. Thanks for watching, and happy driving!